Start. The petitioners, a group of contract carriage operators who were denied permits that they had applied for under Section 73, 74 and 80 of the Motor Vehicles Act (STO) 1988, in view of the provisions of Sections 14 and 20 of the Karnataka Contract Carriages Acquisition Act 1976, filed writ petitions under Article 32 of the Constitution questioning the action of the RTA (STO). It was contended that the provisions of Sections 14 and 20 of the Karnataka Act were in direct conflict with the provisions of Sections 74 and 80 of the MV Act 1988, in as much as while the Regional Transport Authority was enjoined by the said provisions of the 1988 Act ordinarily not to refuse to grant an application for permit of any kind, the said provisions of the Karnataka Act prohibited any person from applying for and any officer or authority from entertaining or guaranteeing application for running any contract carriage in the state, that since the MV Act 1988 was a later legislation operating in the same area, it should be deserted to have impliedly repealed the provisions of Sections 14 and 20 of the Karnataka Act, even if the latter act had received the assent of the President in view of the proviso to sub-clause within bracket 2 of Article 254 of the Constitution, that when there is a repugnancy under Article 254 of the Constitution, the doctrine of pith and substance does not apply, and even if some of the provisions of the state legislation are in conflict with some of the provisions of the central legislation, the conflicting provisions of the state legislation will be invalid, and that therefore their applications under Sections 74 and 80 were maintainable without reference to the provisions of the Karnataka Act (STO). For the respondent, it was contended that the Acquisition Act was made in exercise of the power under a different entry and was not on the same subject. Therefore, the matter did not come within the ambit of Article 254 of the Constitution, and that the Acquisition Act, having been reserved for consideration under Article 254(2) and having received the assent of the President, it prevails over the Parliamentary Act in the state Karnataka (STO). On the question whether there is a repugnancy between the provisions of Sections 14 and 20 of the Karnataka Contract Carriages Acquisition Act 1976 and Sections 74 and 80 of the Motor Vehicles Act 1988, and whether the doctrine of dominant purpose and pith and substance is applicable while examining the repugnancy of the two statutes (STO).